Welcome to today's episode where we're exploring the fascinating world of dandelion tea and its potential benefits for weight loss. It's intriguing how a common weed can be so beneficial, isn't it?
Absolutely. Dandelion tea has gained quite a reputation for aiding in weight management. It's packed with nutrients that support digestion and metabolism, essential factors for losing weight.
Right, and one of the key benefits is its diuretic effect. It helps flush out excess water, reducing bloating. That's a relief for many trying to shed those extra pounds.
Plus, it supports liver function, which is crucial for fat metabolism. A healthy liver means the body can break down fats more efficiently. Have you tried making dandelion tea at home?
I have. It's surprisingly simple. You can use fresh or dried leaves, roots, or flowers. The root tea is particularly potent for deep detox and liver support.
That's interesting. I usually go for the fresh leaf tea. It's mild and perfect for daily use. Just boil some water, add the leaves, and steep them for a few minutes. Honey or lemon can be added for flavor.
And for those who prefer a sweeter option, the flower tea is lovely. It's naturally sweet and full of antioxidants. Just steep the petals in boiling water and enjoy.
Speaking of antioxidants, dandelion tea is low in calories but high in vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and potassium. It's a nutrient powerhouse.
Definitely, and it might even help reduce sugar cravings by regulating blood sugar levels. That's a huge win for anyone trying to avoid unhealthy snacks.
To maximize the weight loss benefits, it's best to drink it before meals. It helps control appetite and improve digestion. Pairing it with lemon or ginger can boost metabolism even more.
But we should mention potential side effects. Some might experience allergic reactions, especially if sensitive to plants like ragweed. It's also a diuretic, so staying hydrated is important.
Good point. Pregnant women and those on certain medications should avoid it. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare provider before trying new remedies.
Agreed. Despite these precautions, dandelion tea can be a wonderful addition to a healthy lifestyle when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise.
Have you noticed any changes since starting with dandelion tea? Personally, I found it quite refreshing and beneficial.
Yes, I feel more energized and less bloated. It's been a natural and gentle way to support my weight loss journey. What about you?
Same here. It's amazing how something so simple can make a difference. We'd love to hear from our listeners. Have you tried dandelion tea? Share your experiences with us.
Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insights on natural remedies and healthy living. Until next time.